Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you a weird glitch that I found on the PlayStation Portal and how to fix it. So right now you can see the microphone button here is muted and it's muted here, but watch this. If I unmute it, it's still muted here, and on this controller demo it's not working. If I make noise or speak into here, nothing's happening. If I do it again and do it again, it's not making any difference. Now you might think it's fine, just restart this. I've done that and I'll show you again now. You might think that you can just restart the game, close down the game and go back into it again. It will still have the same problem, but I will show you how to fix it. So just for the purpose of the video, I am now going to restart this, not just do that because that's just standby. I'm actually going to restart it. So we need to hold down the power button up here and go to restart. This is going to take a couple of minutes to go back into it again. I'll just fast forward through this. My battery is low, so I'm just going to plug it in, but that isn't the cause of the problem. Right, so you can see now it's been restarted, and look, it's still not going off when I hit that button there. You can see it's still lit up here. It's not making any difference. But yet, look, analog sticks and stuff work. It only seems to affect the microphone. So what we're going to do is we're going to exit the game now and go back into the game. So I'm going to close the game. So you think by going back into it now it's going to work, but it will be the same problem. Again, it's going to take me a couple of minutes to get to the microphone bit. I'll just fast forward through it. Now we're back on the microphone again, and look, check it out. Even though we've gone out of the game, can you see it's still not making any difference whatsoever? The microphone is still not working. So that's with restarting this and coming out of the game and back in the game. Let me show you how to fix it. It's quite interesting. So if we go back on to the DualSense controller, this is going to disconnect it from here. What it is the last time this was used, the mute button was held down to make the TV sounds not come through. So you know with this you have an option to have microphone on, microphone off, but now listen, you can hear it coming through the TV. But now if we hold it down, can you see that it says here, all audio and your microphone are muted? That's what causes the problem, because on this one here, we haven't got that feature. On here, we only have mic mute on and mic mute off. You can't mute the TV because this is the TV and you might as well just use the volume controls here instead. So the features are different, and obviously there's some incompatibility between it. So watch this now. If I was to take the mute off, yeah, and now if I go back onto here, you will see it will work. Right, you ready? Now, can you see it's working? Isn't that interesting? And you can hear, you can see the noise there. And also, look, light on and light off. Sorry, light off. Yeah, light on, light off. So that's it. So if you've bought one of these and your microphone's not working, don't automatically think it's a fault on this and take it back to the shop. The chances are that maybe without meaning to, you accidentally put the DualSense controller on where you mute the TV, and then it doesn't want to work on this afterwards. And if you look here, so when we go to hold it down, you can see the feature's not here. The sound's still coming out the TV. It doesn't work. Obviously if I put the volume up here, the sound will come through here as well. But the holding down feature isn't available. I mean, maybe they might include that in a later update. But it doesn't make any difference. And another way to get out of it, another little workaround, is right now you can see again I'm off here, on, it doesn't make a difference, off. So I've mimicked the fault again. All we have to do is if we go to the PlayStation, and then if we go down to the menu at the bottom, and if we go to mic, this way then we don't even have to get involved with the PlayStation 5 if, for example, you are now in a different room or in a different location. We just need to go into mic, and if we go to turn off muting from here, that will then make it work again. So you can see now it's working again, and when I hit this button here, it comes on, mute there, it goes off, mute button again, it goes on. So little workaround. So it's quite interesting there that because it hasn't got that feature, that it throws a little bit of a wobbly. So that's it. That's the glitch on the PlayStation Portal and a couple of ways to get out of it. If you've noticed any glitches yourself, put them down in the comments section below, because it might be interesting to myself and other people reading it. Thank you so much for watching.